Hello my friends, and welcome back to our channel. If you're not subscribed, please do so now so you won't miss another great video from our channel. And if you are already subscribed, thank you for being a part of our subscriber family. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and in today's video we are taking you to the Magic Kingdom and doing a leisurely ride on the Tomorrowland Speedway. And this is a cool ride because it is nice and leisurely, and you get to see the progress of Tron the roller coaster, which is what I am looking forward to. And what I'd like you to do is sit back, relax, and let's have some fun doing this ride. Now let's go. Thank you. Alright guys, this is the Tomorrowland Speedway. We're riding this at night. Yeah, trying to see what the nighttime Speedway looks like. I've actually never ridden this at night. We're gonna pass Tron. Right there, that nest looking thing. That's a future roller coaster at the Magic Kingdom. And you see a crane there. That's all of Tron. Looks like a pretty cool and intense roller coaster. So there goes a castle in the background. Some more Tron. Humongous. Take a look at that. And that's Space Mountain roller coaster right there. People mover up there. And Disneyland is better themed. Got a lot more stuff to look at around, but it's all advertisement. All you do is just go there and everything's about Sony, Sony, Sony. So the question is, do you want to go on a ride where it's nothing but advertisement, right? So I don't know, I might not want to do that. Oh, now it's bouncing. Oh. There we go. Oh. Yeah, it's kind of not hard to navigate while I'm filming. So there we go. We are up here. And that is the ride. Welcome back my friends, and we hope you enjoyed the show. Please make sure you are subscribed to our channel so you will not miss another fantastic video from our channel. Please also leave a comment or share this video with your social media friends, as it will help our channel. With that said, we would like to thank you, and we hope that you will have a fantastic and a magical day.